Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dragged an app to the trash on your Mac but noticed it still leaves behind files and takes up storage? That's because deleting an app normally does not remove all of its leftover files like caches, preferences, logs and support files. In this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall apps using AppCleaner, a free and lightweight Mac utility. Let's get started. First, let's know what is AppCleaner. AppCleaner is a free application for macOS that helps you uninstall apps completely. Instead of only removing the app itself, AppCleaner scans your Mac for all related files and lets you delete everything in one click. It's simple, safe and works on most versions of macOS. Now let's download AppCleaner. First, open your browser and search for AppCleaner for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see here the macupdate.com website. Download AppCleaner for Mac. Click on this link. Now you can see here the download button, 4.2 MB. Click on it. Now wait for the download to be start. As you can see, the download is started. Let the download be done first. The download is completed. Now let's open the app. First, click on this app. If macOS asks for permissions because it was downloaded from the internet, click open. Now you can see here for updates, don't check. I will select. Now let's uninstall the app by drop your apps here. Let's suppose I want to uninstall this app, Muse Hub. So what I will do, I will just drag this app to the App Cleaner like this. And that's it. It will scan it and you can see here all related files of this application. Then just simply click on remove. Now provide your Mac password here. Then click on OK. That's it, done. Now open your trash bin and from here just click on empty trash. That's it. Your app is completely deleted from your Mac. And there is another method to delete any application using AppCleaner. Okay, just simply you can see here the apps. Clicking on this you can see here the applications. From here just select the application and you can see here the remove. Click on remove. Then again click on trash bin, open it and you can see here empty trash button. Click on it. As you can see, the app is successfully deleted from the Mac. AppCleaner can also remove widgets, plugins, preferences, panes, screensavers. Simply switch to the appropriate tab and uninstall them the same way. This is useful if you have old extensions you no longer use. Okay. Let's know AppCleaner is safe. Yes, AppCleaner is widely trusted by Mac users. Before deleting anything, it shows you exactly which files will be removed. You can review the list before confirming, making it a safe way to uninstall applications. However, avoid deleting apps that are essential for macOS unless you know exactly what you are doing. And that's how you can completely uninstall apps using AppCleaner on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.